You want to know the secret to live longer? It's not talked about very much. Oils used in restaurants and processed foods are seed oils like sunflower, peanut, or canola oil. These oils are high in linoleic acid. Sunflower oil has 68%. Linoleic acid, it's an omega-6 fat. It sticks around your body fat cells. This becomes an issue because it starts to oxidize. When oxidation happens, the cells begin to die. This damages the mitochondria, which makes your body's energy called ATP. It's essential for life, and seed oils are damaging that life. It's not an easy fix. It takes 2 years to get half of it out. It takes a total of 6 years to get about 95% of it out. But if you're eating processed foods or fried foods every day, which most Americans do, you don't give your body time to recover. But linoleic acid isn't bad for you. The body needs some of it. It's calculated that our fat should have less than 4%. Today, we're at 22%. So what can you do to lower your levels? Stop eating out, stop eating processed foods, start cooking with beef tallow or butter. Cooking oil is also great. Olive oil isn't too bad. Start adding pasture-raised, 100% grass-fed meat and organ meats into your diet. And get out and exercise, man. Get rid of that seed oil fat that's stuck in your body. It's a long-term investment for a longer and better life.